By the way, I'm doing 1x1x result, so please give me a keyboard digit. Also, I want to talk about some stuff that you guys actually missed. You also missed this whale pirate dude. It was in I think the secrets. Apparently, almost close to better than the headless horseman. So the headless horseman is better than the whale pirate one. So for some reason, the dragon can only still third place. I thought I was in second because of Scorpio fun. But Meow was actually